Why watch on a small screen when this can create a cinema almost anywhere? Meet the TCL Projector A1s. TCL is the world's #2 TV brand by shipment, with 44 years of TV picture tuning experience. Its projector range is SGS-certified, and the A1s brings that display knowledge into a portable, all-around home projector. The first thing inside the box is the fitted carrying case. It is included with the projector and protects it when you store it or move it from one room to the other. That matters because the A1s is designed to be flexible. Movie night in the living room, a series in the bedroom, or football match with friends, or even an outdoor setup after sunset. The case also gives you space to keep the main accessories together, so the projector stays protected and ready to use. Opening the case, everything is packed neatly and securely. The projector has a compact and modern shape. It is easy to carry, but this is not just a basic mini projector. TCL positions the A1s as the best value all-around home projector, with a strong focus on picture quality, sound, smart features. You also get touch-sensitive controls built into the projector, so you can still use these main functions when the remote is not nearby. There is also a quick start guide which takes you through the basic connections and the first time setup. Next is the power cable, clearly packed and ready to use. The external power adapter connects through the DC power input and helps keep the main projector body compact. You also get the TCL remote control for everyday navigation. The batteries are included, so the remote is ready to use after installation. The layout is simple with quick access to navigation, volume, the home screen, settings, and voice control. This is useful because the A1s runs Google TV, so most of the experience feels familiar to anyone who has used a modern smart television. And here is the TCL Projector A1s itself. Underneath there is a mounting point for the tripod. For connections, the A1s includes one HDMI, one USB, DC power and audio output, plus it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless devices. At the front, we have the high-definition glass lens designed to produce a clean, sharp, and detailed image. One of the most useful design features is the VersaGrip handle. It works both as a carrying handle and as an adjustable stand, letting you tilt the projector from 0 to 15 degrees. This makes it easier to aim the image without immediately needing a separate stand. This is everything included. Around the body you can see the lens, the large speaker section, the hidden touch controls, and the VersaGrip stand, all combined in a compact design. While it starts, one important detail is the ever-clear sealed optical engine. It is IP5X dust resistant, tested through 1,200 hours of use, and designed to reduce the dust marks and black spots over time. The LED light source is rated up to 30,000 hours. As soon as it powers on, autofocus and automatic keystone correction quickly make the picture sharp and rectangular. The first setup is very similar to setting up a smart TV. Choose your language, connect to the Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google account. You can complete part of the process with your phone. Because Google TV is built in, you do not need to connect a separate streaming stick for normal use. The home screen brings films, series, and videos from different services into one place, with recommendations based on what you watch. Netflix is officially supported, and Google TV gives you access to more than 10,000 apps including YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and many other streaming and entertainment services. Google TV also receives automatic updates, helping the software and supported apps stay current. Chromecast is built in as well. This means you can send compatible photos, videos, and other content from a phone, tablet, or computer directly to large screen. During setup, the projector continues to connect the image automatically. When you move it or change the angle, autofocus and keystone correction help restore the clear rectangular picture. Outer screen alignment can fit the image inside your projection area. While the obstacle avoidance can move the picture away from objects on the wall. These features make daily setup much easier, especially when you use the projector in different rooms. Here you can see the picture quality more clearly. The A1s delivers native Full HD 1080p resolution and supports 4K video input. Its brightness is SGS-certified at 600 ISO lumens, and the projection size can be adjusted from 45 to 150 inches. Inside the picture settings, you can adjust brightness, contrast, color, and other options to match the room and the type of the content. For the best results, I will use the projector in a dim room, perhaps with one small lamp on, or outdoors after sunset. Like most projectors in this class, darker conditions give you stronger contrast and a more cinematic image. TCL uses what it calls TrueHue technology, based on the company's long experience with television picture calibration. The aim is to keep colors natural while improving contrast and preserving details, especially during darker scenes. HDR10 video playback is supported, and the high-definition glass lens helps the full HD image remain crisp and clear. According to TCL, the glass lens can produce an image that is up to 70% sharper than comparable products. The projector can accept 4K content, although the native projected resolution remains 1080p. You can also choose the projected screen size, from a smaller 45-inch image for a bedroom to a much larger 150-inch picture for a home cinema setup. The final image size depends on the distance between the projector and the wall or screen. Sound is another major part of the A1s. It has two full-range 8-watt speakers and true 2.0 stereo system, powered by a large 400 cubic centimeter acoustic chamber. TCL rates the output up to 85 decibels from 1 meter, with bass extending down to 75 Hz. Dolby Audio helps produce a wider, more balanced and immersive sound. The cooling system uses temperature sensors to adjust the fan speed, and TCL rates the operating noise under 30 decibels, helping it remain less distracting during quiet scenes. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Instead of manually typing, press the voice button and say what you want. World Cup 2026. Sport is where a large projected picture can completely change the experience. A football match fills the wall, making it much more social than watching it on a tablet or a small television. Native 1080p resolution keeps the players, score graphics and text clear, while TrueHue technology helps the grass and team colors look natural. The glass lens also helps the image remain sharp toward the edges. For the strongest contrast, I would still reduce the room lighting, especially when using a very large screen. The dual 8-watt speakers add real impact to the crowd noise and commentary, while Dolby audio helps spread the sound around the room. For normal viewing, many users may not need a separate speaker or soundbar. With a screen that can reach up to 150 inches, the A1s can turn a clear wall into a match night setup almost anywhere you have access to power and suitable lighting.
Sané moves away, loaded in towards the 6-yard box, and Kai Havertz meets it, and Germany in front inside 2 minutes in Chicago.
Now we are opening RaiPlay to show how the A1s handles a real streaming and live television service. The app runs inside Google TV, so navigation is familiar. Choose a category, find a program, and start watching. App availability can depend on your country and account, but the main advantage of Google TV is that it puts compatible services in one place. You can move between live channels, catch up programs, films, series, YouTube without changing devices. Voice search is useful when you do not want to type a long title, and Chromecast lets you cast compatible content from your phone. The A1s also supports HDMI and USB connections for devices such as game consoles, computer, media player, or external storage. Bluetooth connects compatible wireless devices, while the audio output can be used with an external sound system when you want an even larger setup. Even so, the built-in apps and dual speakers make the A1s feel much closer to a complete smart television than to a basic projector. The app section is organized into categories, making it easy to discover streaming, music, sport, games, and other services. With access to more than 10,000 apps, there is plenty of choice, although exact availability can vary by region. Netflix is officially supported, and Prime Video is available through Google TV. Once you sign in, both services work directly from the projector without needing an additional streaming stick. Overall, the TCL Projector A1s is designed as a best value all-around home projector. It combines 600 ISO lumens, native 1080p resolution, powerful dual-speaker audio, automatic setup tools, and Google TV in one portable design. Search TCL Projector on Amazon and explore TCL's full projector lineup and find one that fits you best. Check the description below for the latest details and discounts. And if this review helped, remember to like the video and subscribe. And now we are ready for the finals of World Cup 2026.